can't wait to open up my new box. I'm so excited to see what they sent. If there's anything I don't like, they've included a priority mail return prepaid. And before I open the box, I want to see what they sent me. Okay, a button-up shirt and Avery 3/4 sleeve black cardigan.
Ooh,
oh, and 3/4 sleeves. I love those. A dress, royal blue. A Venice cropped trouser. Oh, I hope they fit. And a Fulton skinny jean.
Oh, that'll be different.
See, that might be really nice. Well, shall we see what's in there?
Yes.
All right. Oh, they just make you feel like you're so special.
Well, you
because
are.
they send you these little letters and tell you how fun they had getting your box together. Okay, so.
Oh, what'd they say in your letter?
Oh.
You should read it.
Oh, well, this is actually my second box, and so they said, I'm so happy you loved some of the pieces in your last Dia box. I've included more styles that I think you'll adore. And then they kind of go on about how some of the different things in here will mix and match with each other.
Oh, I can't wait to see.
So let's see what we've got. And they're wrapped in tissue so that they arrived really,
so
really
pretty.
lovely. Oh, look at that. I think that's the cardigan.
Ooh.
Ooh.
That look, well, you're wearing a cardigan now, so.
Yeah, I do wear cardigans.
Oh, I don't really understand it.
It's a 3/4 sleeve. It looks like it's kind of hooked together here. Oh, there we go. So maybe I guess I could just take this one off.
Yeah, and try it on, even though that looks really nice with that outfit. It's a nice pop of color.
Thank you.
Ooh, this could be nice for the fall.
Oh, that's what I was hoping was nice, pretty fall.
Ooh, that's pretty.
What do you think?
I love it.
Ooh, feels nice.
It looks really nice.
Does
It looks
look good?
comfy.
Does it? And see, I love the 3/4 because here in Colorado we have such different fall weather. So sometimes it's really cool, and then all of a sudden it's warm again, and then it's cool. So the sleeves adjust like that, which is really nice.
Oh, that is really nice. I love it. I think it looks really nice.
Oh, good. I can't wait to look at it. Okay. One of my favorite colors, black.
She does wear a lot of, as you can tell, she's wearing lots of black today.
Black. Oh, now let's look at this.
Oh,
Ooh,
that's
this
interesting.
is a shirt.
Never seen you wear plaid before.
Well, it's always a first time.
That could be good for the Ward Halloween party.
Yes, it would. Feels nice.
Ooh, it looks
Seems to
nice.
fit pretty good, pretty well.
It looks comfy.
And I bet it will look nice with that black cardigan.
Yeah,
I wonder if I should just try it on with it.
sure.
Okay.
It actually reminds me of a shirt Forrest has. Just not the style, just the color.
I know, I recognize it too.
But I think it looks nice. You always need something like that.
I do. I need something that's a little fallish, outdoorsy.
Ooh, I think I like that with the cardigan.
Do you?
Ooh, that really dresses it up. It makes it look more you.
More like a girl.
Yeah. Oh, I really like that actually. I wasn't sure how I'd feel.
Ooh, I like it too.
It looks really good.
Oh, I think I'll wear this when I go on the plane the next time to visit my dad.
Oh,
up in
that's a great
Idaho.
idea. I really like that.
I think I like it. I can't really see it that well. But...
Well, we can show you after.
Okay.
It looks really nice.
Oh, I do like that. Ooh, it felt nice. It almost made me not feel bad about summer leaving.
Oh, I'm so glad summer's leaving. Ooh.
Here's a dress.
Oh, that's interesting.
Belt. I'll have to try this one a little later.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, I
It looks
hope-
longer.
Oh, I hope it
I
does
think it looks
fit.
longer.
I hope the length is good. I think it might be.
Yeah, I think it will be.
Ooh, that's pretty.
That's really pretty.
Oh, I really like it, and I like the color.
Yeah, that's way pretty.
Maybe I'll have to try that on. See how that
See another
looks
for all your political events.
Oh, my what event?
Political events.
Maybe I can find a red scarf to go with
Ooh,
it.
yeah. Ooh.
Ooh, now these look cute.
Those look so comfy.
These are
It looks like they might be a little stretchy.
skinny jeans. Oh, I hope they fit. It's really hard to tell.
It's hard.
But-
Jeans are hard to buy.
They are, but I kind of think these might fit just as
I think
well.
they will.
And yeah, one more thing. What's this? Oh, more. I think these are more slacks.
Ooh.
I'll have to try these on.
Looks a little bit different, but it could be. I mean, some things look better on than off.
Yeah, they do. They look a little wide in the legs, but they may be okay. We'll have to try them on and
They
see.
do look really wide. Yeah, so what do you think of this box?
Well, this is great. All these clothes, if they fit, are things I would choose for myself. They're really nice, and I like them so far a lot. So once I try them on, we will know for sure.
What have you thought about Dia & Co?
What do I think about that?
Yeah,
oh,
so
it's
far.
Really fun. You know, I think they did a really great job on trying to figure out what styles I would like based on what I told them, which is probably a little hard to do since they've never met me or seen me wear anything. So I think that their selections were really, really good. I think I'll just put this back on and
I know, that's
wear
so
it
pretty.
home, and then I'll see how it looks when I walk in the door.
Yep, and you can check out her full review on parkscondensed.com.
That's right. Thanks for tuning in.